Your car's interior is probably 10 times dirtier than your toilet seat. But don't panic, I've got the ultimate guide to make it spotless. For fabric seats, mix equal parts water and dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray lightly, scrub gently with a soft brush, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. The key is working from the outside of stains toward the center to avoid spreading them. For leather seats, skip the DIY solutions. Get a proper leather cleaning kit and condition after cleaning. Heat up your car first. Warm leather absorbs cleaners better. And never use alkaline soaps, they'll destroy the material. Those annoying seams where dirt loves to hide? Grab a toothbrush. It's perfect for getting into those tight spots. For stubborn stains, baking soda paste is your best friend. Just don't let it sit too long. Floor mats are simple. Remove them, spray with cleaner, scrub, and rinse thoroughly. For vinyl mats, a coat of liquid shoe polish makes them shine and easier to clean next time. Pro tip, keep a lint roller in your car for quick cleanups. It's amazing for grabbing hair, crumbs, and small debris between deep cleans. Prevention is key. No food in the car. I know, it's tough. Vacuum monthly and consider seat covers. They're way easier to clean than dealing with stained upholstery. Remember, a clean car isn't just about looks, it's about your health. You spend hours in there breathing that air. Keep it fresh, keep it clean.